I don't think that it is man-centered or demeaning to God to say that we determine the truth of future contingent propositions about our choices, and that God then, being omniscient, knows which propositions are true. It's not as though we determine God's mind or retroactively cause thoughts in the mind of God. It's just that how we behave determines the truth value of various propositions, and God, being omniscient, knows the truth value of those propositions. Moreover, keep in mind, it's God's choice in the first place to create free human beings who can make these free choices. So it's all within his sovereign plan anyway. It's not man-centered. It's God who is the ultimate source of our freedom and who gives us the choices to make. God's sovereignty is not threatened by man's freedom because God's sovereignty takes into account already. It factors in the choices that people will make freely.